going to show you how to use Skype for individual use today. So you need to download the Skype app in the App Store. You will then need to create a unique login for Skype. Normally it links with a Microsoft account, so if you have an Outlook or a Hotmail, it will automatically sync with your email address that you already have created. So now that I've created my Skype account, I'm going to press the Skype app. It's going to open up a screen that looks like this with all the people that I can call. As you can see up the top right hand side, there's a call plus button or a video button. So I'm going to click the video button, and this is where it's going to allow me to start a call and then share an invite to somebody else that I want to call. It's a nice and easy one for us to use.